Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today, that's my nervous laugh. Today I'm tinting my brows by myself at home. Yes. I'm gonna be using the Godfrey brow tint. I have never used this before. I've never tinted my brows with anything. I never let anyone tint my brows, so this is my first time. I got my little capsules. This is the brow tint. It came with a little mixing bowl, and it also came with a little brush. I have my own angled brush, but it came with one, so if you don't have one, that's amazing. It comes with. And then I have some silk face pads. These are mine. This didn't come with it. And I think that's it. And then I have some concealer because I'm thinking about shaping my brows first with the concealer and then going in with the tint. I'm gonna start by filling in my brows first. Well, not filling in. I'm gonna start by combing them out, and then I'm gonna go in with my concealer to clean this up. And I'm gonna do a heavy layer just so I know for sure that I'm staying in the lines. I'm gonna do it heavy just so there's a clear line that I should not be coloring outside of. You guys can see, right? Okay. So I got my two lines and I'm just gonna blend it out. Take the capsule, break it open and put it right in there. And then I'm gonna take the developer and add equal parts. I'm doing this to make sure it's not runny and it's a good paste. Make sure it's not runny, it's not drippy. The product isn't like sliding down the brush. All right, this feels pretty good. So I'm just gonna get some product on the brush. I'm gonna go a little bit on the top and just make sure that all the hairs are completely saturated in the tint. I'm pretty much done with most of my brow. Now I'm just gonna go in and do the very front, let it sit for like maybe 2-3 more minutes and rinse this off. I don't feel like it's really coming off. Maybe I need like some soap and water. Yeah, I don't feel like, wait, hold up. Where's my mirror? Oh my god, they're so dark. Wait, I need some soap and water. This is dark. I'm thinking I still have product on my brow and I don't. It's completely wiped off, but it's listen. No, it looks too dark. Wait, I gotta go in the bathroom and wash with soap and water. Hold up. I don't like them. They're mad dark to me. I don't like the way this came out at all. Am I dragging it? Like, maybe it's not that bad. Maybe it's not that bad, right? Comment below and let me know your first reaction. When you saw it, was you like, nah, sis, you should have took it off earlier? Or were you like, oh no, like, that, we could make it work. Okay, now I will say I love the shape. I got the shape down pat, but I just think it's super dark. Maybe I should like try taking some oil and maybe like breaking up the product a little bit. So I'm gonna take a little oil on one of my silk pads and try to fade the front just a little bit. Man, I'm about to put some brow gel on and log out. I don't like this. Yeah, that's the problem. This just tints so fast. And I think I left it on a little too long. Next time, I'm gonna do one brow at a time. Like, I'm literally gonna do one brow, let it sit for 2 minutes, and then move on to the next brow. Because me going back and forth and letting it sit and nah. I'm gonna FaceTime Tab and see what he says.
What's up?
Hey, Papi.
What's up?
Nothing. What you doing? You said my brows is mad thick?
Yeah. You look like fucking Helga.
Tab!
Look like Helga. I don't know. Why you look so dark?
I just tinted them. I'm about to call you back.
What's up? You know I'm gonna cut your ass. Stop playing me.
Tab.
You won't be having to do all that shit you're doing. You fire already. Like,
I'm about to finish up. I'll call you back.
okay.
All right, baby.
Okay.
Stop it. See, I knew my husband was gonna keep it a buck with me. Said I look. Well, y'all heard who he said I look like. I'm not gonna repeat it. But yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. I just got finished recording and I'm about to wash my face. So I'm sure it's gonna fade even a little more. But this is what day 2 is looking like and I love the way that it looks. And on day 3, they faded even more. You can see more in my brow highlights on my IG. But thank you dolls for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.